Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account. To get started, go ahead and open up your Instagram application and you'll be appear with the home page of Instagram. Now what you can do is go ahead and tap on the little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that menu bar which is appear on the top right corner. Now here you can see the account center. Go ahead and tap on. Now what you can do is tap on personal details. Now here you get the option contact info, birthday, identity confirmation and account ownership and control. Go ahead and tap on account ownership and control. Here you can see the option deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. Now choose your account and select deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary and it means your account will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or logging into your account of Instagram. So continue it. And once you continue it, it will ask you for your password. Go ahead and type down your password and continue and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell.